How to fix if settings is not opening in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to your search bar and search for Task Manager. In Task Manager, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for settings in all this list. Right click on settings and you'll find option called debug. There may be bug in your settings, so it's not running, so simply click on debug. Debug is only available if you have bug in your settings. After doing that, simply right click on your display and refresh it, or simply restart your device. Then you're good to go. That's how to fix if settings is not opening in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below.